Hello my fellow bathroom enthusiasts, I am Amardeep from Saruja Contracts, and today we are talking about a subject that might seem a bit unusual to you, but it's something we all use every single day, and that's toilets. We'll be specifically talking about two types of toilets, that's floor mounted WCs and wall mounted WCs. So let's get ready to dive into the world of toilets. Let's start with the floor mounted WC. Now, if you're not familiar with this type of WC, it's the classic toilet design that's rests on the floor. It's commonly used in most of our houses. What I love about it, floor mounted WC is very stable. It's firmly anchored to the floor, which means you won't get any wobbly toilet seat sounds or any kind of unexpected movements. Plus, it's very easy to install, which makes it a great option. And you are looking for a budget or are looking for a simple solution, it's a very good option for you. One more point I want to add about this is the maintenance part. The floor mounted WCs are very easy to maintain. The parts are easily available in the market. You can go to a local hardware shop and take that. And all the plumbers are finally equipped to use it or to repair the WC. Now, let's turn our attention to the wall mounted WC. As the name suggests, the toilet is attached to the wall rather than resting on the floor. It's more of a modern design, sleek design, becoming very popular in recent years. One of the biggest advantages of wall mounted WC is its ease of cleaning. It's not on the floor, it allows you to access all those hard to reach areas. Cleaning becomes very easy, and let's face it, nobody enjoys scrubbing those toilets. Another benefit of wall mounted WC is it can save you space, especially in the smaller bathrooms. Without a bulky base, you have more free floor, making the room more open, less cluttered. Plus, it gives a very stylish look to the toilet. But hold on, it's not all sunshine and rainbows with wall mounted WC. One thing to consider is the installation process. This is a slightly complex process which can't be done by any of the local plumbers. So you have to have a professional plumber who installs that WC. And another issue with the WC is when the system is stuck because of hard water. We have hard water in India, all over India. So when it gets stuck, it's very difficult to maintain that. And if you have to change the system, you have to completely remove your tiling work and then you have to reinstall that. So, with all the pros and cons laid out, which one you should choose? Well, it's ultimately your personal preference, the specific needs of your bathroom. If the stability and the easy installation is crucial for you, go for the floor mounted WC. If you are craving for a sleek, a stylish, a space saving design, easy to clean, then wall mounted could be a winner. So this was the showdown between floor mounted WC and wall mounted WC. I hope this video shed some light on these two options and help you make some informed decisions about your bathrooms. Let me know in the comments below which one you would prefer. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.